Have you ever been in a situation where someone made a joke that had you laughing so hard, your belly was shaking? That's what we call a belly laugh, a deep, hearty laughter that comes straight from the gut. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the meaning of belly laugh. My friend, Sarah, was trying to impress her new coworkers by using some English idioms. She said that comedian had me laughing so hard, I thought my belly was going to split open. Her coworkers looked at her in confusion, not understanding that belly laugh is an idiom that describes a deep, uncontrollable laughter. They thought she was literally saying her belly was going to split open. A belly laugh is a figurative expression that refers to a hearty, genuine laugh that comes from the core of your being. It's a laugh so intense and joyful that it feels like it's emanating from your belly. The origin of this idiom likely stems from the physical sensation of laughter, where the diaphragm and abdominal muscles are engaged. Here are some examples of how you can use belly laugh in different contexts. The comedian's jokes had the audience in a belly laugh the entire show. When my friend told that hilarious story, I couldn't help but let out a big belly laugh. The slapstick scene in the movie had me in a belly laugh for minutes. The CEO's witty remark during the meeting made the entire team burst into belly laughs. I love reading books that make me laugh so hard, I have a belly laugh. Her funny TikTok video had me in a belly laugh while scrolling through social media. The stand-up comedian's performance was so funny, it left the audience in a continuous belly laugh. To help you remember the meaning of belly laugh, think of a person laughing so hard that their belly is shaking. This vivid mental image can serve as a useful memory aid to recall the definition of this idiom. The idiom belly laugh has an interesting origin. It's believed to have originated in the 19th century, when laughter was often described as a physical sensation in the abdomen. This reflects the cultural belief that laughter is a deeply embodied experience, rather than just a facial expression. Over time, the usage of belly laugh has become more widespread, appearing in various forms of literature, movies, and everyday conversations. Some similar idioms to belly laugh include gut-busting laughter and side-splitting humor. These expressions also convey the idea of laughter that is intense and comes from deep within. On the other hand, the opposite of a belly laugh would be a polite chuckle or a forced laugh. Here's an original sentence using the idiom belly laugh. The comedian's hilarious routine had the audience in a belly laugh throughout the entire show. If we rephrase this without using the idiom, it would be: the comedian's hilarious routine caused the audience to laugh heartily and uncontrollably throughout the entire show. I remember a time when I was at a dinner party, and one of the guests told a hilarious story about a mishap they had while traveling. The way they described the situation had everyone at the table in a belly laugh for several minutes. It was such a genuine and contagious laughter that it really brought the group closer together and set a light-hearted tone for the rest of the evening. I had a belly laugh and I was in a belly laugh are used. I had a belly laugh is more common and considered perfectly acceptable. It emphasizes the experience of laughing heartily. I was in a belly laugh can sound slightly unnatural. Another mistake is to use belly laugh to describe a mild chuckle or a polite laugh, when it should be reserved for a deep, uncontrollable laughter. Let's test your understanding of the idiom belly laugh. 1. What does belly laugh mean? A. A deep, hearty laughter. B. A polite chuckle. C. A forced laugh. Answer: A. 2. Which of these is a synonym for belly laugh? A. Gut-busting laughter. B. Forced chuckle. C. Polite giggle. Answer A. 3. Which of these is the opposite of a belly laugh? A. Side-splitting humor. B. Forced laugh. C. Hearty chuckle. Answer B. In summary, a belly laugh is a deep, uncontrollable laughter that comes from the core of your being. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively and connect with others through the shared experience of genuine, joyful laughter. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation that has you laughing so hard your belly is shaking, you'll know exactly what to call it, a belly laugh. Now it's your turn. Share a time when you experienced a belly laugh in the comments below. Try using the idiom in a sentence of your own and see how it fits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English idiom lessons.